two-tone headliner. I'm actually in shock. Huge element here, final edition with small final edition. This is a full. Everything is full in this car. So how gorgeous is this final edition with small letters and illuminated final edition. Absolutely fantastic trim piece. Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we're at the AMG Performance Center, Bratislava-Lamac. Special thanks for having us here today. And as you can see by the headliner, this is extremely special 2024 Mercedes G500 and this is the final edition V8. And guys, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe and hit the bell and turn on all notifications so you're notified for all upcoming videos. And thank you very much for your support. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the exterior first. So the G500 final edition marks actually the 30th birthday of the first V8 powered G-Class. So this is also the last G500 with the V8 engine. That's why this is called the final edition. Alright guys, so here is the spec sheet and also the price with the VAT. You can check out the netto price on the screen. So we will take a closer look at this car. So we have 1500 units of this final edition. You can get this in three colors. The one color which you can get, and probably one of the best, is the opalite white magno. You can also see it there on the S63 is the same color. Then you can get it in obsidian black metallic, which is the classic black, very popular for the G-Class. And then we have it in olive magno, which is the olive shade and matte paint, the magno. So this has V8 engine, 421 horsepower. You can see the V8 powering the exhaust on the downside, like it's usually the case. And overall it has a lot of small details which make this edition very special. So I highly recommend to get it for the G500 fans. In the US this one is the G550, that's the name for the United States. So you can see here the matte paint. This one is the opalite white magno. It nicely hits with the sunshine, absolutely gorgeous, with this sort of like a metallic flakes. Very classical at this point already, the rounded G-Class lights, and also of course super iconic indicators. The trim pieces are in chrome. You can see also the grille and these trim pieces in the front bumper. So the whole car looks super muscular and super premium, I would say. So let's go over the details. So let's start with this small but super cool detail. So you can see here we have final edition. Check it out. Can you see? Final edition in this guard, bumper guard. It goes all the way there through the doors, and also here we have final edition under the V8. You can see and hear the rumble of the V8. So also here in the rear doors you can see the final edition. Then we have this small detail of a G-Class in the doors. And these are the wheels for the final edition. So these are gloss black with the white and black with the olive magno. These inserts are actually in olive color. So these are Scorpion Zero all-season tire, 275 50 R20. We'll also check out the interior, of course. Absolutely gorgeous. Also the headliner, chrome around the spare wheel cover, G500 on the left side, and you can see huge element here, final edition with small final edition lettering. Absolutely super cool. So in terms of the exterior, I think that's it in terms of the final edition details. Here we have also information. You should use a 95 octane, and you have here the pressures. Also super cool is the key fob. So your typical standard Mercedes key fob, but so check out here we have final edition on the back of the key fob. So let's go over the boot, the luggage compartment. So here we have the cover. So this one says on the inside, I believe, stronger the time. Not going to open it fully because it would be difficult to put it back, but this is the indoor car cover. Here we have the box with the rear seat infotainment. So that's that, some emergency vests and first aid kit, AMG floor mats, and underneath, check it out, it's actually wood floor. So how gorgeous is this? Absolutely top-notch in terms of the details. I really love this wood floor. I think it makes huge difference. You can check out the name of this wood on the screen, and this is super nice with these rubber inserts. Super gorgeous actually. Also subwoofer here, and this is, I believe, the net for the cargo. Of course you have the roller cover, and check out here from the back the headliner. Wow, full leather package. Everything is in leather, the whole interior wrapped in the leather. Now this is really iconic. Let's check out the ultra wide view, and the diamond stitching also on the headliner. So we have the manufacturer full leather package. So also here the sides and also the headliner, everything is in manufacturer full leather package, as well as this. Check out here the wood, this black wood, so nice. And here you can see the spare wheel from the inside. Iconic G-Class door closing sound, and here is a view of the final edition from the back, three-quarter view. Right now we have a sunset, so this looks absolutely stunning here. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the interior here. Door seals, special final edition badge, or whole trim piece is actually final edition with small letters and illuminated final edition. Absolutely fantastic trim piece. Also we have here the platinum white diamond stitching, as well as full manufacturer interior leather package. So the headliner is two-tone, as well as the seats here, and also door cards. Check it out, everything is in leather. So absolutely fantastic package here, full leather. Also here, check it out, leather everywhere basically is leather. So on the top as well, so super premium here. Here we have the shuckle-proof badge as well as with every G-Class. Alright guys, so let's drive a little bit just here on the parking lot. A very good steering feel, and yeah, the accelerator pedal is absolutely fantastic here. You need a few feet and you will realize that this is a G-Class. Alright guys, so let's check out the interior here. We have fully electric seats. Also the AC will lower now, so we have better voice. So let's put these air vents like this. They are also clicky, super cool air vents actually. Also check out, here we can see the indicators, the iconic indicators, and also Burmester speakers here. So this is truly fantastic. Also here we have double glazed windows. Check it out, double glazed, diamond stitching once again. This is pretty much loaded in terms of the configuration. Electric steering wheel, you can move it forwards, backwards, up and down, of course. One thing to keep in mind is that here we have the beautiful final edition. Check it out here, And the grab handle, absolutely fantastic in terms of the details. Really, truly a great addition. So here is a platinum white and black. In the middle we have platinum white, and at the sides black leather. Also the headliner, check it out, the headliner in the middle is platinum white and on the sides is black. So this is truly a manufacturer special in terms of the interior trim. Also, is this also leather? Yes, this is also leather. Wow. So everything is in leather basically. Also you can see the stitching here. So also here we can see the stitching. So everything in terms of the interior is wrapped in the leather. This is a truly leather interior. Also this is wrapped in the leather, as well as the grab handle here. Check it out, like in the Maybach, I would say. A truly premium addition here. So really wonderful in terms of the what you get here with the final edition. Middle part is also in leather, and here we have this beautiful black wood. And this wood trim is really beautiful. You can find it also here under the display, as well as here in middle console. Truly a masterpiece. Here we have the clock. With the AMG you have the IWC Schaffhausen clock. Here we have the Mercedes clock. Also the differentials, you need to be in drive, and then you need to press first the middle differential lock active. Then you can go for the rear one. You can see the 1, 2, 3, and then you can go, if you start actually drive, then it will turn on red, and then you can go also for the third one, and you can disable these as well. So now you have it, actually turn it off. We have still here the command Mercedes steering wheel for the G-Class. So this one, which many people love, with these physical buttons. Also you can change the distance with vehicle in front, and you can change the speed here as well. You will control this with this scroller wheel, and you have a navigation, radio, media, telephone, in-car office, connect, vehicle and system. So in vehicle you can check it out quickly. We have the seats. In seats we have the driver seat, passenger seat, and we can also have the massage dynamic seat, level 1, level 2 for example. It will inflate the bolsters if you are in the corners, then massage. So these are like S-Class seats in terms of the adjustments. Truly a special G500. Lumbar support, side bolsters. So this is the main difference certainly with the final edition. Also the glove compartment is in leather. Wow. If you open it you have storage space here, and really stunning, fully wrapped in the leather quality for a longer period of time. So that is something what I truly like, this fully wrapped leather interior. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Alright, so let's check out quickly the back seats. Here you can see diamond stitching as well, beautiful black wood, and of course this two-tone interior. In the middle we have the armrest with 2 cup holders, and you can see this amazing two-tone headliner. I'm actually in shock with this. This is absolute top-notch in terms of the headliners, and overall in terms of the specs. This is a full. Everything is full in this car. Absolutely crazy. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like this final edition G500 in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.